Hello friend, welcome to my channel Petrotech Dealer. Today we will study about a very important topic which are known as BHP, that means bottom hole pressure. Everyone has familiar with this word, but when and which condition it will be vary, we will know in this video, because BHP will not same all the time. It can vary with its situation of the well. So let's begin. What is the BHP? It is defined as total sum of all the pressures such as static pressure. Static means hydrostatic, surface pressure and dynamic pressure are being exerted at the bottom of hole. Okay, bottom of hole means what? This is the bottom of our well, and all the forces will act here, okay, in the direction of down, in this direction, okay, well, in the bottom of the well. Okay, that means BHP is the sum of all pressure that are exerted on the bottom of the well. All pressure means hydrostatic pressure, surface pressure and dynamic pressure. Later I will try to understand what is the meaning of that and how it affects in the bottom of the well. So hydrostatic, that means static, that means fluid are in the static condition. Then the BHP is equal to what? Hydrostatic pressure of the well. Okay, and when well is a dynamic condition, that means there are some angular pressure loss in the well, which that will be added in the hydrostatic pressure. Okay, and surface pressure means that pressure which shows some pressure in SICP and SIDP gauge when the well was shut. Okay, that means when the well is closed from the string side and from the annular side, there are some and when there are some pressure in the well, which we can see in SICP and SIDP gauge, that will be add plus hydrostatic pressure. And when the well in killing operation is going on in the well, that time the BHP will be different. In all the situation we will try to understand how and when this react in the well. So let's begin. First condition is when the well is static. When the well is static, that means only one pressure act, because there are no movement of the string and the fluid in the well. That time the BHP will be equal to the hydrostatic pressure. Okay, and when there are the second situation is while drilling is going on. Okay, in this condition a pressure loss will occur in the annulus due to movement of the fluid. Okay, when the fluid come here and return from the annulus, then it will create a annular pressure loss and a friction pressure loss generated in the annulus, just opposite to the annular, and this will affect on the bottom all the pressure, all the surface pressure which are generated by pump. There are no any effect on the bottom. First understand it, only annular pressure loss effect in our bottom. Okay, all these pressure, suppose there are 3000 pressure, 2000 pressure in our standpipe pressure gauge, all are worthless for our BHP. Only annular pressure loss are used in BHP. Okay, got cleared? So, and sometime how annular pressure got increase and decrease is depend on the mud property of the mud. That means mud weight, viscosity, PBYP, and solid contaminant which are present in the well, that we known as cuttings. If cutting will be more in the annulus, annular pressure loss will be more. Understood? Then it is the second condition. Second condition means BHP equal to what? Hydrostatic pressure plus annular pressure loss. If there are the drilling is going in the process of drilling. Okay. Next situation is while shut of the kick, and there are the pressure SIDP and SICP in the gauge when the well was shut. Okay, there are some pressure in SIDP and some pressure in annulus which are known as SICP. And what if we find BHP from the drill pipe side, string side, then we add SIDP in the hydrostatic pressure. There are no any movement of in fluid and our drill string, but if there are any kick in the well and if there are any pressure, then we will, what will be the BHP? Hydrostatic pressure plus SIDP. Okay, and now if we want to check the BHP from the casing side, then hydrostatic pressure plus SICP. Got clear? Okay. Another situation is while killing is going on. In this process there are the hydrostatic pressure and movement of fluid also, and annular pressure loss, and there are the some extra pressure SIDP and SICP. All this pressure we will add, and that is the BHP. Okay, first thing hydrostatic pressure loss. Second, we can neglect annular pressure loss because that's time the SPM is too less in the process of killing. So annular pressure loss neglect because too less annular pressure will generate in the our system, in our well system. Okay, so that time BHP will be sum of hydrostatic pressure of variant fluid in the annulus. If fluid so density is changed, if there are influx and our mud and our heavy mud which are used for kill the whale, all these density will vary, then the hydrostatic vary in this column at different length. Okay, then plus annular pressure loss and plus casing pressure. These three pressure we will add and find the BHP at while the killing operation is going on. Okay, next situation is while tripping in. That means there are running is going on, string running in. In that condition, hydrostatic pressure of mud or plus surge pressure. Surge pressure generate when we are doing running in our well. That means when our string going down, it work as the piston, and mud are not able to exit from the annulus clearance side, and that will generate the surge pressure on bottom of the well. If the surge pressure is more, then it will be cause of the fracture the formation if the surge pressure will be more, and that time we will got a kick or loss of the fluid, loss of the our drilling fluid in our well. Okay, so our running in speed is not so much. Okay, and while tripping out, that means pull out is going on, that time sweep pressure generate. Okay, in that condition also string beat stabilizer work as the piston and sweep the fluid from the tries to swap the fluid from the formation. Okay, if the BHP will be less here, if the BHP will less here from the formation fluid, why switch pressure generate? If we pull out the string, fluid tries to come faster down, but that any reason when the bolt up of stabilizer, bolt up of the bead, fluid cannot pass the stabilizer and the bead. In that case, the swap pressure generate, and this is the cause of extra influx enter in our well. This is a critical situation. So we need to slow down the speed of our pull out. These all the things which are effect on our BHP. Okay, so I am going to revision, but there is no need. You can replay the video, and again you can watch and can understand if there are any confusion in this video. Okay, and if there are any confusion, please message me, please comment me in my comment box. Okay, and all the things I will write in my description box. You can write from there. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, and if you had not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and share this video with your friends. This will also help them. Okay, thank you friends.